Did you guys know that the happiest place in a house is a kitchen? Especially when there's a deliciously homemade dessert. Hi guys, I'm Diana. I live with my husband and 2 kids. I'm a housewife. My rule is to make my family happy. I love cooking. This is my passion. I'm in the kitchen almost every day, all day long. I'm here on this channel to share my kitchen experience with you, so you can make your family and yourself happy. I make quick meals, snacks, breakfast, and baking, but I mostly focus on making healthy stuff with plain ingredients. I really try to be more creative, so my husband and my kids will not be bored. I try to make 1-2 videos a week. So if you're a foodie like me, please subscribe my channel so you will not miss on making your family and yourself happy. And don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you have any question about my videos, please leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.